cleaning up the beach. Lata was very excited. Her cousins, Nandu and Malini, had come to spend their vacation with her family in Mumbai.
Let's go to the beach. I want to make a big sandcastle in the sand.
The three cousins headed for the beach. But when they reached the beach, they looked around in shock and dismay. The golden sand on the beach was covered with garbage.
Oh no, there's not a single spot to build a sandcastle on this dirty beach. Let's go home.
Hey, why don't we try and clean up the beach?
Let us go home and come back. I have an idea.
The three children hurried back home. As they left their house, armed with their shovels and large garbage bags, their neighbors stopped them. Where are you off to? Why are you all wearing gloves?
We are going to clean the beach. You can join us too.
Everybody spent several hours working hard to pick up all the trash littered on the beach. Soon, the beach became clean again. In the evening, they surveyed the clean golden sand on the beach happily.
I was upset because we couldn't make a sandcastle today. But I'm glad we could make the beach happy today.